What are the best study tools for kinesthetic learners? If you are a kinesthetic learner or know someone who is, you might be curious about the best study tools to enhance learning. Kinesthetic learners thrive on physical activity and hands-on experiences. So, what tools can really help? Let's break it down. First, consider using physical flashcards. Writing out and handling these cards can reinforce memory. The act of creating and sorting them keeps learners actively engaged with the material. Next, whiteboards and large sheets of paper are fantastic for drawing diagrams or brainstorming ideas. This physical interaction with concepts helps kinesthetic learners understand and remember better. Manipulatives and three-dimensional models are also great tools. Items like clay, blocks, or anatomical models provide tangible ways to explore subjects like science or math. They make learning more interactive and fun. Another helpful tool is movement-friendly furniture, like standing desks or balance boards. These allow learners to move while studying, which can improve focus and reduce restlessness. Digital tools can also be beneficial. Tablets with stylus pens for drawing or apps with interactive flashcards and quizzes engage kinesthetic learners through active participation. Role-playing and simulations are effective for internalizing information. Acting out processes or scenarios helps learners remember sequences and procedures through physical involvement. Incorporating movement into study sessions can be a game changer. Walking while reviewing notes or tapping rhythms can link physical actions to information, improving recall. Short study periods with frequent breaks work wonders too. Breaking study time into manageable chunks with active breaks helps kinesthetic learners release energy and maintain concentration. Creating videos or multimedia projects encourages physical interaction with content. Tools like video editing software allow learners to film, edit, and produce, combining creativity with movement. Lastly, virtual reality can offer immersive experiences. While it may not be accessible to everyone, it provides interactive environments where learners can engage with educational content in unique ways. These tools and strategies align perfectly with the kinesthetic learning style. They emphasize active involvement and tactile experiences, making study sessions more effective and enjoyable for those who learn best by doing.